Hi there, konnichiwa, welcome to Toy Princess. Today we're doing a Transformers and we have the Autobot Grimlock. So he's a robot or a dinosaur. There's nothing Grimlock enjoys more than melting Decepticons into scrap with his flame breath. You can change him from a robot to a dinosaur in 8 easy steps. Let's open him up and have a look. This is Grimlock. He's got the Autobots logo here and this great bronze paintwork. Nice big arms and they all move. His legs move. I'm glad Grimlock is an Autobot. I wouldn't want him to be a Decepticon. Let's change him using the 8 easy steps into the dinosaur. So first, the steps are on the back here. So first, we put his arms up, because these are going to be the dinosaur feet. Next, turn him over. And flip up the head. Then we click the head together. Now, we'll do the legs back. Put the legs into position. Put Grimlock's head in. And attach this to the back. Oh, our head fell apart. Click that back together. And this part clicks in. And here is our Grimlock dinosaur. Looks pretty fierce. So again, there's a nice bronzy gold, red and black coloring. That's great. So if Grimlock is a dinosaur or a robot, he's ready to take on the Decepticons. I'd like to see him melt them into scrap metal with his flame breath. I hope you enjoyed today's Toy Princess Grimlock unboxing. Join me again soon for more Transformers and more videos. Bye!